Welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can insert value or insert row into a table. Here you can see we have two tables here, employee and student. So let's go for the student at first. I'm going to insert value to the student table. So I will say here at first select all from students to actually show all the student columns, okay, student table column. So here you can see we have student ID, student name and email, and we have no value yet. So let's insert the first row. So I will say here insert query, insert into the table name is students, right? And I'm going to mention all the columns. So the column is student, then student underscore ID. All right, then the next column is student underscore name, and the third one is student underscore email. And actually I'm going to go to the next line. All right, next line, let's say, and I'm going to add values. So I'll say values, okay, and the ID, let's say integer, right? So 1 and student name, let's say Milan, and student email, okay, so we have to give here a single quotation. Why? Because the name is string, right? So here I'm going to say student name is Milan, comma, and the third one is student email, so I will say milan@gmail.com. now let's execute the query. Okay, execute it, and here you can see insert into student table. So let's see what I have insert. So select all from students. Oh, select all from students, DENTS. All right, okay, so here you can see we have student 1, so it's 101, and student name Milan, and student email milan@gmail.com. all right, so we have added our first row. All right, so I hope you understand. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.